Here's how to fix ChatGPT not working or loading errors. If ChatGPT isn't loading or you're seeing an error message, start by clearing your browser's cache. In Chrome, click the three-dot menu and go to Settings. Inside, get to Privacy and Security. Then select Delete Browsing Data, click on the Cookies and Other Site Data, set the time range to All Time, and click Delete Data. Next, click the Extensions menu at top right corner, go to Manage Extensions, and temporarily disable all browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with ChatGPT and prevent it from loading properly. If the issue continues, open a new incognito window from the browser menu and visit the ChatGPT website. Sign into your account and check if it works there. If it does, the problem is likely related to your browser data or an extension. Finally, if you're using a VPN, disconnect it and try again. Some VPN servers can cause connection issues or prevent ChatGPT from loading correctly. That's all for this video. Thanks.